It's haul time! Victoria's Secret is having buy one get one offer and I took the opportunity. I have a bag full of stuff. Let's see what first item that I have over here is this Victoria's Secret backstage candle. This is a limited edition one and this is inspired by the fashion show that happened. It was obviously so good and I just can smell it right here and I wish you guys could smell this. This is how it looks. It just feels so luxurious. It feels like I'm a Victoria's Secret angel and it has such a unique fragrance. I need to see the notes which are there. I'll just put it somewhere over here, but it just smells so absolutely delicious. And this has the sticker on it, and obviously this was not on offer, but I had to get it because it smells so good. There's the candle. Moving on to the second item, which I thought was really good because last year I saw an advent calendar in Victoria and I was like, okay, I need to get my hands on it. I went and this year it was different. We have the advent calendars of panties. Can you imagine? This is like advent calendars and 12 days of panties, and this is I've not even opened it. It's a 12-day advent calendar for your undies, guys. Can you imagine? No one could ever do this except for Victoria. You can just open every single day, like for 12 days, and you can have the sexiest lingerie ever. The next item which I have is two fragrance mist from Victoria. One is in the variant Sugar Plum Fig and the other one is Vanilla, Amber and Bourbon. Obviously by notes and by reading that you can understand what it is, and when I smell this was so cozy. I just instantly fell in love with it. I was like, no, I need to get it. Even though this was not on the offer, this was like buy two for 175 or something. But it's so good. Like, guys, you need to try this fragrance, which is the Sugar Plum Fig. It's very sweet and it's really good. I really like it. It's very amazing. So I got those two. Then from buy one get one offers, I have two 7 ml perfumes over here. Now this is Eau de Parfum, which is more stronger than body mist. One is in the variant Daring and this has bergamot, oak moss and amber. If you know my preference is always fresh fragrances. This was a must buy, but I also came across this one, which is the Bombshell Glamour. This one is a new one and this has peach, peony and amber. I really like the fragrance. That's why you can see that it's not over here because it's in my bag. I liked it so much. So this was buy one get one offer, so I got two of those. Going ahead with buy one get one, I had this PH lip oil and watermelon lip oil. This is the one, the viral one, which changes color. I'm just gonna apply it on the top lip so that you can see that it changes color, and I'm just gonna apply the other one, which is the watermelon one, on the lower lip. Like, you can straight away see the difference. It's so good. I really like it. It's hydrating, it smells really nice, and you can see the gloss. So good. And this was on buy one get one, guys, so I had to get two of those, obviously. The item which we had for buy one get one was on fragrances and body care. So this one was Fine Fragrance Mist and this is in the variant Sugar Fleur, and this is Tease. Again, this is a very sweet kind of fragrance. I don't know, I'm just gonna spray it because it felt, oh my, it's so sweet, it's so fruity, it's very sensual in a different way. Like, it was really beautiful. Because I got this, I had to buy another one which was free, and then because I love the bergamot fragrance, I took the body wash, which is in the variant Daring. This has the bergamot fresh kind of scent. This is a hand and body wash. I really wanted to try that, so this one is buy one get one as well. The other item which I really wanted, it was not a part of the sale, it was not a part of any kind of promotion going on, but I really wanted this fragrance. It was the Bare Rose. I already have Bare and I love this fragrance. First of all, look at the bottle. It's so beautiful. Like, it fits in your hand perfectly and it smells amazing. Like, this has to be one of my favorites. I love the Bare fragrance, which is just the normal one, and this is the updated version, like the rose one. And this, just imagine this on your vanity. It looks so pretty. So this was one which I had to get, irrespective of the promotion or the sale going on. Last thing which I got for buy one get one was, they have buy one get one on pajamas, on nightwear, on athletic wear, sportswear and everything. So I didn't take those, but I needed some pajamas and I came across this one. This one is the soft fabric and this one is the shorts variant. I didn't want other night suits as well because I already have a collection of Victoria ones and all of the colors were just repeating, so I didn't get those. But I got something which was even more important. That was this backless bra, what do you call it, like you can just stick this on and you can wear it on backless dresses and you know, something which is open from the back. So I got this one. So these two were again buy one get one free. This was my haul from Victoria's Secret. They still have sale going on and I'll put the link below, or I'll just put the link somewhere. Make sure you go and you buy and stock up on the items which you want. You can just gift it to someone, because you can keep one item and you can gift it to someone. This is one of the best sales which is happening right now at Victoria. Make sure you don't miss it out.